Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our bedroom linen services and find it useful.
Improves the estimate. Customized cleaning process. Gentle and effective cleaning. The bedroom linens are then subjected to a customized cleaning process tailored to their specific materials. Sudsies uses eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning agents that are gentle on the fabric while effectively removing dirt, stains, and odors. For high thread count or delicate linens, special care is taken to preserve the softness and quality of the fabric. 5. Final inspection and finishing. Quality check. After cleaning, each item undergoes a final inspection to ensure that it meets Sudsies' high standards. The linens are then pressed and finished, with items like sheets and pillowcases neatly folded and duvet covers and blankets carefully prepared for return. 6. Return delivery. Convenient return. The cleaned and finished bedroom linens are delivered back to the customer's home, ready to be used. Sudsies' complimentary delivery service ensures that the linens are returned quickly and in pristine condition, making it easy for customers to enjoy freshly cleaned bedding without any hassle. This process ensures that bedroom linens, including bulky items like comforters, are thoroughly cleaned and maintained to the highest standards, providing customers with fresh, luxurious bedding that enhances the comfort and appearance of their bedrooms.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.